Hi, and welcome to the October 2008 Daytona Beach Real Estate Report, brought to you by Daytona Beach real estate broker Lynn Byrne. First, let's take a look at October sales compared to previous months. From September, there was a small decline, about 3.9% or 9 properties, which was not dramatic. However, this is the third consecutive month of falling sales. Part of this is due to seasonal variations, but we believe a good part of it is also due to the current economic conditions and the lack of confidence in a number of people. In addition to that, mortgage money is still very tight. The bailout bill has done very little, if anything, to free mortgage money for the average, if you will, buyer. The monthly sales chart for 2008 is now taking the appearance of a humpback, if you can imagine the hump on a camel, with the hump being from April through August and now trailing off for September and October. Now let's take a look at October sales by price range. What we've been seeing all year held again in October, with sales under 200,000 accounting for about 69% of all sales. When we look at sales under 300,000, that accounts for a full 85% of all sales. Sales above $300,000 are less than 15% of the market. What that translates into basically is 33 buyers per month at the current rate for homes above $300,000. So with 154 out of 224 sales taking place at under 200,000, I believe we can safely say that this is where the strength of the market is, and all the action in the market is taking place in this price range. If you're buying and selling in this range, there's still a good inventory and you have a better chance of selling. If you're selling above $300,000, it's probably going to take quite some time to clear that inventory out, and you could be sitting on that property for a very long time. Finally, we'll look at October prices, both median prices and the average selling price. Median prices in October dropped from $167,500 to $157,900. Now it's important to remember exactly what the median price is, and that's the halfway point. So with all the sales, or a good portion of the sales, coming under $200,000, that median point is going to be under $200,000. Average prices in October dropped from about $220,000 to just over $208,000. A good part of this can be attributed to a decline in sales of properties over $1 million from 5 to 1 for the month from September to October. And of course, the lack of $1 million homes will drive the average price down. So let's look at the important points from October. Sales dropped slightly by about 3.9%. Sales are stronger below $200,000 and make up about 69% of all sales, and sales under $300,000 make up about 85% of all sales. Sales above $300,000 are less than 15% of the market. The bailout or rescue bill effects are still unknown. We haven't seen any improvement in the market based on passing that $700 billion bill. There are still tremendous short sale opportunities out there, and we are seeing more interest from buyers in short sales, and a few buyers have told us that they're coming into the market because they believe we are very near to the price bottom. That still remains to be seen, but it's interesting that a few more people are of that belief at this point. Thanks for watching or listening to the Daytona Beach Real Estate Sales and Market Report for October 2008, brought to you by Daytona Beach Real Estate Broker Lynn Byrne of CenterPoint Realty. You can get more information on weekly and monthly reports from www.lynnbyrne.com. That's LYNNBYRNE.com, or call Lynn at 386-566-7503, or toll free at 888-519-9579. Thanks again, and see you next month.